My name is Victoria and I'm from Slovakia.
I'm Margaret Mutuko. I come from Kenya.
My name is Monique Duplessis. I'm from Namibia.
My name is Alalia Bimbela. I'm from Egypt, and this is first year for me, under 23.
I'm super excited to be here to have the World Championships in Africa for the first time.
For us women to have the under 23 category.
For me, it means a lot because compete with women elite is harder for us, young girls, and it's good that we have our own separate category. So I think it's really good.
It's for us like a special moment. Like you worked really long for this moment to be like in 23 not with elite.
In the previous years, you find that some riders get to lose contact with the peloton when they have not had any chance of showing what they got. But when you're competing with your fellow riders in the same category, you get that chance.
Yeah, it's super nice that finally there is also for the women a U23 race.
This is to show that in future we can have more women taking part into the sport, including young girls, which is really great.